Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today, for the 12 days of eyeshadow palettes, we are on day, I think 5. Yep, I don't know, I've lost count. So we're on day 5, and for today's eyeshadow palette, we are going to be using this. This is the Be the Game Changer Makeup Obsession eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited to use this palette. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So my face is already primed. I'm going to now just fill in my brows. Now I wanted to try this makeup tip. I already did it once, but I wanted to try it again. I'm going to use my LA Girl Brow Pomade in the color Soft Brown. And to apply it, I'm going to use my Morphe M158 brush. So I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to draw a line right in the middle of my eyebrow and kind of then blend it in with the spoolie side. I'm going to try it. I'm just going to draw a line right in the middle of the brow, and now I'm going to just blend it. And what I like to do is, if there's any spots that I kind of missed or that's not filled in, I'm just going to go over that. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Now we're going to go to the eyes. Now I'm going to start by priming the eyes. I'm going to use my Burt's Bees eyeshadow primer, my Shiny Brush number 8. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. And this is in the color, what was it? Creamy Natural. I'm going to take the sponge that it comes with and just apply this to the eyelids. Just so I can cancel out any discoloration and have a nice base for the eyeshadows. I'm going to blend that a little bit more with my Beauty Blender. First shade that I'm going to use is Score from the palette, which is this shade right here. I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush to apply this. And I'm going to apply this in the crease. I'm going to blend it up towards the brow bone, but not touching the brow bone. Or not like touching the brow, I mean. Same thing to the other eye. And I'm going to take my Sephora blending brush and blend Score. Now I'm going to take Hot Stuff, which is actually my favorite shade in this palette. I'm going to apply this in the outer third and in the outer crease. Then I'm going to take my finger and apply Metal. Then for eyeliner, I'm going to take, let's see, Success, which is this color. Focus! That color. I'm going to create a very thin line on the upper lash line. I'll be right back once this side's done. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to use my Huda Beauty mascara. I'm going to start with the volume side first. While I wait for this coat to dry, I'm going to now start on the face. Use my CoverGirl Plus Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy Concealer Palette. I'm going to take this shade, I'll kind of put a couple of dots under the eye, and then any blemishes. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to blend that, and I'm going to spray it and take off the excess, and then blend the concealer in. I'm going to use my cream blush. This is actually, let's set the concealer first. I'm just going to set the under eye concealer, and then we can go ahead and apply my Honest Beauty cream blush in the color Coral Peach. Then I'm going to use a different bronzer than I normally use. I'm going to use the Ella Girl Glow palette, and I'm going to use this bronzer shade with my Real Techniques powder and bronzer brush. Next, I'm going to put on some highlighter. So I'm going to go into the same palette, the Ella Girl Glow palette, and I'm going to use the highlighter shade. I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow palette. Oops. I'm going to take Score again, and I'm going to apply this underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm going to curl the lashes one more time. I'm going to apply the curling and lengthening side from the Huda Beauty mascara. Okay, so I lined my lips with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Soft Spoken, and then I'm going to apply my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the color Self Starter. I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray onto my Beauty Blender. And then I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to set the face using that. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!